Ready? Hello. So I'm here with Tao-Chan. This is going to be my last day training for a couple months. We go back to California. So it's going to be a bummer. Miss him. He's the best trainer. So what are we going to do?
Today, okay, speed kick 51.
51 speed kicks.
Yeah, because for my birthday.
My birthday.
Yeah.
51 birthday.
Yeah.
On the 22nd. So see how it goes.
And how's Scott doing as a student?
Good, very good. Good student. I love Scott. I love student like this. Very good. Good.
51 kicks for your 51 birthday. All right.